How to sign in to your homedepot.com MyCard account. So, to log into your Home Depot MyCard, all you have to do is follow these steps. Firstly, open your web browser and visit the official Home Depot website. You can simply go to the Home Depot login on the search address bar and tap on the Home Depot credit card login online option available there. In most of the cases, Home Depot offers different credit card accounts: consumer credit card, commercial revolving charge card, or commercial account. Make sure you are selecting the correct type of card. Then, enter the username or email associated with your MyCard account and enter your password. If you forget it, click on the Forgot Password and link it to reset it. Once your details are entered, click the Sign In button to access your account dashboard, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.